Welcome to episode 9 of the Think Science series. In the last episode, we saw the balloon in flame experiment. Through the experiment, we understood the concept of heat conduction. Today, we will perform another mind-blowing experiment which I titled, Walking Water Experiment. Through the experiment, we shall see the real-life application of capillary action. It's the same process through which plants pull water from the soil to their leaves. Material list: napkins, food color, 7 plastic cups, and water. Pour water into the disposable cups and ensure the water in the cups are at the same level. Add food color to them and stir properly. Then, fold the napkins as shown. Leave the mixture for 8 hours.
Before now, this was not soaked with water, but after some time, we discovered that the whole napkin was soaked with water, which shows that there was a transfer. Alright, so this also was dry before now, but you can see for yourself that this is exactly what we just have, showing that there is a transfer. This as well was blue to this extent, so this is what we have because of the transfer, both of them coming at a point to form a green color. These as well we have, so that's it, coming together to give a purple. So that was the experiment. Later on we shall explain the science behind this.
The colored water travels up the napkin through a process called capillary action. This is the same thing that helps water climb from plants' roots to the leaves in the tree. Capillary action. It is the ability of a liquid to move upward against gravity in narrow spaces. Watch out for the next episode. In our next episode, I shall show you 6 amazing experiments you can do at home. I believe you learned something new today.
Do this to encourage us if you did. Like the video. Subscribe.
And hit the notification bell so you will get a notification when we post new videos.
See you next time.